great day, Infinite Gang. Oh yeah, it's been a week. It's only Tuesday. So y'all know in the last vlog I was telling y'all how I was having alternator problems with my car. And so yesterday I ordered the alternator so that when I drop the car off, I already have all the parts there, the alternator and the brakes. So I was sold the wrong alternator, and I had to go ahead and quickly go online and buy another one so that the work can go ahead and get done, because I don't like being without a car. So I actually got to work today by Uber. My Uber driver was pretty cool. He got me here in more than enough time. But y'all, these kids are on another level. Like, their defiance is already bad, but I think that they kind of know that it's the end of the school year, and so the amount of times I have to repeat myself to them now is even worse than what it was before, and it's just driving me crazy. And if you hear her back there singing, because she thinks that all day is the time to just break out in a song. Girl, if you don't move around, goodbye. Goodbye, ma'am. That girl, yeah. So she think coming from the other side is gonna make it better. It's okay, I'm gonna just bleep her. I'm gonna bleep her out. Say, come here. Say, hey, Infinite Gang.
Hi, Infinite Gang.
Say, Infinite.
Infinite
Gang.
Gang.
All right, girl.
That's it, gang.
So, okay, y'all ready? Go ahead and get your scissors out. You can close the book. Go ahead and get your scissors out, and I will come around and give scissors to those that don't have scissors. Mind your business. Have a seat, ma'am. Yes, if you have your scissors already, start cutting. Sit down. I need you to sit down. You don't have scissors, ma'am? You took all your stuff home already? Huh?
No, take this out.
I know. Start cutting, Drew. I know you can do it. Shh.
Whoa, those are fire.
Alright, so I'm going to set the timer for you guys. On this, I'm going to give you 7 minutes. You don't have any scissors? Come on, guys, 7 minutes and the time is going.
I got wet.
She don't know what she's singing. Shh. Don't. Yes, baby, we are. Come on, Drew. So let me show y'all. So this week is the graduation. And actually on Friday is their graduation. And look at this. Huh? Yeah, this Friday. So their caps and gowns came in. Look at their little tassel. Oh. There you go. Look at their little caps and gowns. So I got 2 different sizes, well 3 different sizes. I got size 30, and I got size 27, and then size 33. I don't know, girl. Cut your Theodore Roosevelt stuff. And then I don't think I ever came back to the camera because, child, I be all over the place to show y'all the gift that I finished. So I'll show y'all this box. This is Bia's. And then so like my higher achievers, I made them like mini certificates that and so it's all in a little box like this. And I really don't know what else I want to put in there. I'll be very honest, I don't want to put nothing else in there. I don't want to put nothing else in there because we still have other stuff that we're putting together for the reception that they're going to get that was provided from the money that we raised at the school at like the fall festival and stuff like that. And then the money that the parents donated when they sent in the fees for their cap and gown. But y'all, I'm tired. I'm tired. And I got up and I worked out this morning at home. But I don't feel like it was enough. It was just like a little hit video that I did from YouTube. This girl here. Ooh, wee, baby. Is this a song y'all just made up?
What?
Whatever they over there singing.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you. You're so beautiful.
You're the best teacher.
I'm the best teacher. And for me, I'm the best teacher. Even when I'm fussing at you, because you won't be quiet, you won't put a bubble in your mouth. You won't put a bubble in your mouth.
Well done. Read it one more time.
Hey, she's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, day, like a light, day, like a light, day. Slept through the flight, day, not for the night, day. 767 minutes, shit got double bedroom, man. I still got scores to settle, man. I crept down the block, made a right, yeah. Cut the lights, pay the price, yeah. Made this nigga sweet, it's on sight, yeah. Nothing nice, yeah. Nuggets in my ice, Jesus Christ, yeah. Checks over stripes, yeah. That's what I like, that's what we like. Lost my respect, we not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit ready like I'm Shaq. See the shots that I took, wet like I'm booked, wet like I'm Lizzie. I be spinning valley circle blocks till I'm busy. Like where is it? No one seen him. I'm tryna clean him. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, 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 like a light.
Grades 8 Infinite Gang. Y'all, it has been a extremely rough week, right? So the car just barely got fixed yesterday, Friday. I took an Uber to work yesterday because of course it didn't start when I came outside, and yesterday was the kinder graduation, so you know I needed to be to work on time. I couldn't risk running behind, and I had to get my students ready and get them together for the graduation. So I just wanted to make sure that everything went off without a hitch, so I just went ahead and requested a Uber. And then a mechanic came out and looked at the house, and he came up with the conclusion that it was the batteries, unlike what the tests at the auto store was saying, that they were good. So changed the battery, car started right up. I also discovered that my car has 2 batteries. Why does my car have 2 batteries? I don't know. I was under the impression that you know, SUVs and dualies and, you know, big trucks and stuff like that have 2 batteries. Why I have 2 batteries, it is above me. So long story short, I'm just grateful that the issue is resolved. I'm not too broke afterwards, so that's a blessing, because the parts on my car were kind of expensive. So this whole week has been a struggle, and I had not had the opportunity to work out. So I'm headed to the gym now, because this has been the first morning of something being normal and regular. Munchie's graduation is next week. I do have to find him something to wear and do his hair. So I had to postpone my trip because of all the issues with the car. I wasn't really sure if this morning I was going to wake up and it was going to work. Munchie hair is all over his head. He ain't going nowhere with me looking like that. Even though his hair is so pretty when it's just wet and the curls is just doing what they do. But he's a boy. He don't want to wear his hair like that. So I'm going to do his hair. He want me to give him a skunk in the front. Fuller skunk. So after I come out of the gym, I'm gonna go walk next door to the beauty supply store and get his color. We're gonna do his hair today, and that's gonna already be a process because he's extremely tender-headed. So we about to go to the gym. I'm not even gonna sit up here and cap. I think this is my only workout day this week, and my nerves been so bad. My eating has not been the best. I think overall this week I've had 3 bags of chips. No, maybe 4, because I had 2 of them spicy Doritos, a hot Cheetos, and y'all, these chips made by Brims, y'all, them be the best chips ever. If y'all have never tried, it's a cheap ass Dollar Tree, dollar store ass brand of chips, but they call Brims. Them chips be so good, and the chips be the whole potato, like the whole potato. They not super salty. The dill, ooh, just A1. If y'all are a dill pickle chip eater, them Brims dill pickle chips are bomb. They bomb, or like them kids say, bussin'. So I had like 4 bags of chips. Thank God I didn't eat no cupcake, because my mind was saying eat that motherfucking cupcake, and I resisted. But I do gotta put some work in today, because I was not eating the best, and just I have the body type where I gotta go to the gym. I don't care about the if you eat right you ain't gotta work out. No, I do. I don't know about nobody else's body, but the way my body is set up, I gotta work out. Cause I ain't trying to be out here looking like a Oopa Loopa during the whole summer of 2023. So come on, y'all, let's go. Let's get this work in.
No, you have to hit rock bottom. That's the way up. Mm-hmm. Yeah, rock bottom is beautiful. The struggle of coming back is beautiful. That struggle, it's hard. It doesn't appear like it's beautiful while you're going through it, but it's you're being tested, and without a test, there's no testimony.
We can walk.
house. I picked up the hair color. Let me show y'all the hair color, because a lot of people always ask me, oh, what color do you use on your hair? So my locks are this color, Cream of Nature. It was at 9.2. Light caramel brown. This is the color that I use, and just touch up. But the next time I do my hair color, I'm gonna go ahead and put a boost on it so that it gets a little bit lighter. So this is what the color I'm gonna use for his little skunk patch in the front. Y'all, I didn't mentally prepare myself for this. Yeah, this boy is beyond tender-headed. Y'all just don't understand. I may leave a little audio in it this time so y'all can hear. Oh, we fighting? Just let me know. We fighting? Since you bucking at your mama in 2023? That's what we doing?
I'm almost taller than you.
I don't care that you almost taller than me. I'm gonna forever and always be able to whoop your motherfucking ass. Do we understand? Okay. Here we go, y'all.
Hours later.
Oh, Grace, hey vlog. We out here on my cousin land.
Right here.
Ooh, spread this off, cause I ain't trying to get ate up.
I got a load, it's empty.
So we about to shoot him up, bang bang. Shoot him up, bang 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 bang. You don't need that. And who gonna come out here and take anything about this car? If somebody come out here. Oh, what's?
Took the glasses out now.
Okay, you got enough off?
Yeah. Well, my arm.
Okay. All right, y'all. So today we out here to shoot. I guess we're trying to figure out what we're gonna shoot. Well, I guess we can start trying to hang up the targets or something, or put the targets on the board.
Yeah, we gotta walk them out there. We walk one of this tree, one of that back tree. I'm just gonna check and see if it's anything in that stick real bad.
Close your ears, Munchie.
Get your things.
Oh yeah, put your headphone, put your headset in.
Huh?
Put the
I forgot the headphones. Oh fuck! She forgot the ear protection.
Well, I got stoplight.
What on earplugs?
You got the you got earplugs? Mm-hmm. Oh, thank you very much.
Mm-hmm. I said bring the big tripod, cause ain't nobody about to hold this camera. We about to put this thing on. Here, Munchie, put these things in your ear.
Oh, let's do it.
I mean, you can start putting stuff on the table. I'm just gonna see if it's
Oh, go get some to Kelly and his wife. So y'all weren't ready.
It was loaded.
Oh, not ready for that.
None of us were.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so the one you talking about, the one that looked like it got bullet holes in it? Yeah, that's
This nigga with this one on. These ants are everywhere.
We outside. We at their house.
They came from by your house.
Safety on. Oh, you put the food right here? You put the food right here? Hey, hit. Now the other ones, Amir. Flip it over.
Look at that. Look at him trying to help. Yo, what is this? Bro, that bitch is moving. What is that?
You're filming?
Oh, yeah.
You not getting out?
No, I'm not shooting today. I'm sweating
Huh?
like a slave. You hear me?
A little bit lower. To the left. I mean, yeah, to the left a little bit. Left. Down. A little bit lower. Back to the left. Back to the left. Drum's almost ready.
Boy, you ain't got no towel.
Yeah, it's in the car. Give me that car. Give me that gray towel. You took it out the car? Nah, they ain't, I ain't got no towel. I'm die here.
I ain't even got out the car. I'm looking like you.
You know your back crooked.
You want to shoot him like your fighting stance. You got a jam. Hold on. Hold it. You want me to clear it? Huh? Cock this bitch. It's jam. We got a jam. I can't cock it no more. My hand is fucked up. I had a jam on me at the range because of different ammo. Yeah. 40, you can do that bitch anytime. You good. You good. Set it up. A little bit lower. Now go. Up, just a little more. Now go. To the left. No, it's loaded. Did you pull the trigger?
Yeah.
It's not doing nothing? Hold on, it might be empty. Let's see something. Yeah, see what that bitch, doing that. Down. Perfect. Left. This might need to be ordered, or it might just be the bullets.
Just around. I don't like that trigger wall. It's too far back. You got to pull the trigger all the way back.
Yeah. You know, my bad. You know you can get it. You know you can take it down there so they can critique your trigger to a 4-pound and change the color, right? The settings on your gun. Take it to the gun shop and they can change
No,
the settings.
it's the one in there. You just got to put what?
Might be on safety. Nope. Nope.
Hold that motherfucker.
What? You gotta pull that bitch. Pull that bitch all the way. Yeah.
You hit the tree.
Down. A little bit lower. Right there. Perfect.
You hit the target.
Do it again. Down a little bit more. Let it to the right. Down. I need to still something in there. Keep on shooting.
I know that. Wipe your face, nigga. Get your cousin the tissue that's inside the car. God damn.
I'm cool. I got it.
No, you ain't.
God damn, I gotta wait till my black dry out. I didn't even see that one. Shoot us that back, motherfucker.
It's clear. It's clear. There's nothing in there.
It's empty. It's empty. Stop looking at guns like this.
I didn't turn it all the way like that. I turned it like that.
Do like this. Away from you and up. Away from you and up.
You ready, Duda? No.
You said you got a 40 here? Your ear a little different than mine.
Fire on the
Can you
range.
hear it on this side? Is it loud?
No.
It's plugged in. You can't hear it. That's cool.
How should I shoot it? I should hip it. I should hip it. Like this. It didn't shoot.
He said that's his first time shooting it. That's why.
Drop the whole thing now. Yeah. You always got to drop it. You got to let it go. Yeah. 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 Oh, shit, there.
This is loud.
I don't know if I got another shoestring. Hey, you got a shoestring?
No.
Anything with a string on it? You got a zip tie? My thing came off. I need a zip tie or something. Let's tighten this one. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's too hot out here. I had to go take it to get fixed. We go take it to get fixed tomorrow, probably.
Squeeze it with this one. So you want to do it, you want to get a good grip on it. This is my shooting hand, so you want to get a grip on it with your shooting hand and support hand. Which one you gonna shoot with? You gonna shoot with which hand? This one? This one? All right. But you can just mag up if you want to.
Hey, anybody want some water?
I'm cool.
Water?
But
Water?
But
Hey, what a suitcase at?
whenever you ready.
Can you put that weed
I think it's one in the, no, you didn't put one in the head right.
No, I didn't.
Later.
Is waters in there?
Ice cold water.
Okay.
No, it's one in the head, right? So when you
Might smell like a little weed,
shoot,
but
having these
it's
times
water.
before the trigger. So you gonna boom,
Had to hold some weed in there
however many times you want to shoot.
for my home.
Pop, you gotta give him like real clear steps.
It was in that. Then we put it in 2 trash bags, and we put it in another bag. We can still smell the shit.
Hard.
Hold it tight though. Hold it
tight like you don't want it to fall out your hands.
Hold it like a baseball
Hold it
bat.
like you play baseball. So look,
Hold it like a
this
baseball
arm that
bat.
you're shooting with, stiffen it up as like as hard as possible, right? And then you just pull the trigger.
Don't be doing that. Don't be doing that. Trying to scare somebody.
I wasn't.
Hey, boy, I'm trying to bust in your face. That's what I was finna do.
Scare you, bro.
Hell, talking about.
Now hold it.
I hope you ain't got that on camera.
I did.
Oh,
I'm trying
please.
to catch my baby shooting his first gun.
Got my baby shooting his first gun.
Pull it as hard as you can.
Hard, Duty. Pull your, listen.
Oh, keep it up, keep it up.
Keep it down. Listen.
Don't never point it.
And
Don't ever point it towards your foot.
Finger, baby. Are
That's how
you
Flash Call Birds did.
Yeah, that made me nervous.
Come here. And there's nothing to be scared of.
People
Come
do that and boom.
Yeah.
I actually just not even paying attention.
Come here.
You got it. Look. This how y'all gonna get him to shoot the first time. Hold your gun with him.
Hold it like that, okay? Hold it tight.
Hold it like a baseball.
Hold it really tight.
Like you finna punch somebody. Put your hand out like you finna punch somebody.
Put your arm straight out. Lock your elbow.
Yeah, put your arm out like you finna punch somebody.
Listen.
This arm right here, put it like you finna punch somebody. Like you punch. Like this.
Listen. I don't know what you afraid of. You see everybody out here doing this, it's nothing to be afraid of.
It's okay. Come on, put it in his hand. Let me show you. Put it like you finna punch somebody.
Straight out, lock it firm. Lock it firm where if somebody come by, they can't just drop your arm. Lock it firm.
Yeah.
You gonna grip the handle. Yeah.
Don't put your hand on the trigger yet. Don't put your hand on the trigger
yet.
Leave right here.
But around the handle. That's where I
No,
want
put his finger right here, straight forward. This way.
Just for right now. Let us get just a grip of the gun. Okay.
Got it?
Now, I want you to pick this other hand up.
Support hand. Put it at the bottom.
You're going to use this to support the gun, but you don't want it to be too far up. You don't want to hurt yourself with your finger being too close to where the bullet gonna come out of, right? And you got to remember, the bullet is coming out of here. You don't want your fingers nowhere around that, okay? So remember, you got to lock that arm. Now,
pick this finger up right here.
You got to take this finger out your hole. Okay, leave it like this until we tell you to put it on the trigger. So leave it out until we tell you to put it on the trigger. When you put it on the trigger, you're going to squeeze it tight, okay? You're going to squeeze it back tight, real hard with all your might, okay?
Like you're gonna make a fist.
But you're going to wait until we tell you to pull the trigger. Now scoot over this way and line up with your target.
I'm scared.
Line up with your target. Line up. Come on. Okay. Aim for the target.
You got it. Come on, right here. Go.
Markel, he said his feet not right. Tell him to balance.
Oh, hold on, wait.
Balance in his fighting stance.
A little bit more back. You can stand, yeah, like that. There you go.
Squeeze it tight.
You got it. Huh? Come on. I got you. Look, I got you. Look, come here. Let me see. Come here. Don't cry. Look, I got you. Got you. Come on.
Do you really not want to?
Come on, do it. Look. Just hold it. Look. Come on, hold it. I got you. Look, watch. See? It's not that bad. Come on. You got it? Squeeze. Come on. You got it. You hold me.
Shaking.
You got it. Come on, pull it. Good job. Pull it. Keep on going. Okay, target over here. Down, right there. Lift it up.
It's empty.
He got one though. Hey, he got one.
I seen it.
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
He got one.
Bottom.
It's at the tip. That's his bottom. You got that
Do you
one.
feel better about it, or you ain't messing with it?
Yeah, he mad at you.
You all right? Did it feel good? It's on safety.
Well, somebody gonna have to come turn it off.
Right there. Now you can turn it right there.
Take your hand off the mag. Put your hand
I
off
know.
the
I'm trying to balance.
In front of the
Like
mag.
that, yeah,
Can
right
I hold it here?
Right there, yeah,
Anywhere right there to grip it. Yeah. Put that.
Huh?
If you need that, just put it on your shoulder. It's cool.
They get them
want
running.
you to put it on your shoulder.
Can y'all see me in the frame? Yeah.
If you scoot up a little bit, I can't see you. Scoot up. Right there.
Yeah, you good.
Why don't you just move the camera back? She damn near in the goddamn grass.
It's not
You
shooting.
rack one. You ain't put one in there.
I thought I did. Come on. That motherfucker heavy, bro. Come on. I thought I put one in there. Let me see. Let me check. Yeah, it looked like there was one in there. Hold on. Yeah, it's in there. Look at the frame and see if this is where you want. No, you gotta look at the camera. Look at the camera.
She moved the thing.
I'm you right now. If
I know. I'm looking at
how
it.
you want to be seen, I'm you.
I know.
Yeah, drop that on your shoulder. Yeah!
said
keep
down.
going. Keep
Yeah,
going.
down.
He said down.
A little bit.
Is it jammed? Oh, it jammed. We got you. Hold on.
I don't want to know how to work one of these.
Yeah, that smell crazy.
Huh?
The smell is different.
Huh?
I said that smell is different.
Oh,
That
yeah.
that's different gun smoke.
Through the hole, and it's gonna put you with You got them on your AR.
You gotta squeeze hard too.
I don't like the way that gun runs.
To the jam.
Yeah.
It might be the
Oh, shit.
round.
Yeah, it might be.
I'm squeezing out.
Did you put it off, take it off safe?
Did you take the safety off?
You might need a little
Hold on, Corey. Corey. Hold on. Wait till we all out the damn way.
I'm squeezing.
Squeeze it harder.
Harder. Not going? Hold on a minute. Hold
Wait.
up. Here I come. What the hell is wrong with the gun? Did you pull it? Nothing? Let's just see what's going on. Put the camera towards me and let me shoot it. Let me shoot towards the camera. Khalida,
I'm not about to play with you.
just set it up right there, man. Come on. One time, I ain't gonna shoot the camera. Khalida, I'm not gonna shoot the camera, bro.
I hear you. I hear you.
Put it over there.
I hear you. It sound good. It sound good.
It'll be good footage.
You ready? They pulling out the handguns.
Oh, yeah.
That's a hand. Oh, look. Hold on. That's probably why he's scared of it. He don't realize it's a handgun. Look.
In that contraption. Yes, baby. It's just a regular gun. In a big old thing.
No, good. I gotta shoot the regular one.
That is a regular gun.
Yeah, he just got a drum on it.
You just got a drum
And when
on
you shoot
it.
this, it's a handgun. This drum just make it look stupid. It's just a drum on it. Look, it's good. And it's a little light. Probably only got about 3 more shots in here. Range? Which one you going for?
The short one. The closer one. This ain't really comfortable, bro. Cause I think that.
Make it comfortable to you.
Nah, I can't. I need a shot. I need a.
No, I'm saying keep on shooting it, yeah, until you feel comfortable with it.
I'm talking about trying to shoulder it with this shit that's not for shoulder.
Once you do it one time, you fill it out though, because you're really supposed to put it right here.
I can't use the sight stand.
Huh?
I can't use the sight stand.
Then you gotta move your sight up. There you go.
The hell it's gonna record.
It ain't gonna go up, just hold it tight. There we go. I ain't see it go. I ain't see it go. I ain't see that bitch win. Are y'all seeing it? To the left, because I don't see it. It's not hitting nothing. Up way back there somewhere that I don't see. I gotta get over here. Hold on.
Right here at this wood shit.
Now shoot.
That one is nice.
That went right through the wood. So up or down. To the right. To the right. Hit.
bitch started stinking.
Hit.
This bitch started stinking.
Remember,
I just
lock
told
your
you that. Remember I told you
arm
that earlier?
straight,
I said,
get
man,
your
you ain't gotta
balance.
go. She like, man, I got something to do at 4 o'clock, man.
Yeah, go ahead.
It's hot as hell out here for me, but they ain't sweating like I am. Uh-oh, nephew finna go.
Keep your fingers back. Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Just like that. Just like that.
Use that pointy finger to pull the trigger. You gotta squeeze it tight.
Look what it say right here.
There you go.
Tighter. No, both hands. Both hands. Both hands. Oh.
All right, say I'll see you tomorrow.
There you go.
Mm-hmm.
All right, bet.
Mm-hmm.
Hold it tighter. Hold it tighter. Yeah, hold it tight. Now pull it.
I think it's empty now. Yeah, it's empty now. Here, babe.
So how was your first shooting experience?
Scary, but got better.
It got better. So, moving forward, do you think this will be something that you want to do again, or are you good on this?
That's something I'll do again.
Okay. Okay.
I'm cool.
You cool? You shooting that? Go on, shoot it.
Alright, so this one you don't even gotta aim with. You can just shoot like this. If you want to, you can shoot like this. Because it's technically a pistol. It's already on fire for you.
You gotta stand right.
Hey,
Get your balance. Which one you shooting at?
I think I gotta hold it down some.
I ain't see what happened to the sweat.
I can't tell. You must be aiming at this front one. Oh yeah, that was fun. I only hit the target one time, but nonetheless, I hit it. Whew. Taking these earplugs out make you wish you had a Q-tip. I think I got a bobby pin in my arm. Yeah, I'm good.
She said yeah, she did.
Ooh, I think I got a bobby pin to scratch my ear though. Can I pass you a charger? Boy, come about this. I had put my sweatshirt on because probably these bugs ain't playing no games. I didn't spray myself down with the off or whatever, but sometimes you be needing some of your oils. Ooh. Oh yeah. Whew. That was fun. I'm glad Munchie got to experience holding a gun and not being scared of a gun, because we definitely live in a world where you got to be careful with it. That don't mean that you need to be scared of it. Because if anything happened and you need to fire one of them motherfuckers, you need to know how to fire it. pressure, all that stuff. So now you see it when people say, "Oh, I shot somebody on accident." It takes a lot to shoot, right? So can you really shoot somebody on accident? Okay. So as long as we got that understood. So it's now 5 o'clock. Pop had pulled his bag out to start putting the guns back in there. I ain't gonna lie. I can use a bath. But the tub fucked up. We don't know how that happened. We cannot get the tub water to cut off. And then we reached out to the emergency. What is it? Emergency maintenance. They still shooting. Reached out to emergency maintenance and they ain't budged. Like, water is not a real concern. But y'all, we deep off up in these woods. It was kind of like a little mission to get back here. It is gonna be a mission to get back out. You say getting out gonna be worse? You kinda had to push it to come down though. Well, we'll check back with y'all when we get ready to get on the road. I just wanted to come back to the camera and talk about the fact that I hit that target. One time is enough for me. I ain't shot a gun in so long. And then holding them big guns, that definitely takes some getting used to, because I am accustomed to only shooting handguns. So that was different, but whew, I just needed to sit down for a second and come on here and just say hey to y'all. And we'll talk to y'all later once we get on the road. Bye.
Bro, ain't nobody team. Ain't no motherfucking team.
Well, I guess it's colder than woos at the what's it called? He's so goofy. He's bad. They bad.
I said no. Listen, this all I got play.
And Munchie looking like, what the hell is going on here?
No, the fuck you did. I heard it. You did. Now, if he come over here, he bitch your ass. That's not my
And
problem.
then the fact that you look like a criddle and got a horrible mouth.
Like that no more. He a piece of shit. I'll get you another one.
Baby, he is trying, boy. You gotta kick them feet.
Go, nigga!
Boy, what is you doing?
Let me go.
Hey, y'all. It's the next day. We didn't get home last night until like almost 2 a.m. We had stopped on the road, got food, all that good stuff, and then made our way home. I drove most of the way, and then Corey took over once we got to like Katy pretty much, and then drove us to the house. I'm getting ready to go to the gym, and I'm gonna go ahead and close this vlog out here and start the next one. Today is Memorial Day, so it's Monday and it's a free day. I'm going to go out to the park Munchie and I are gonna go sit out at the park today. It's supposed to be a pretty decent day just for us to not be stuck inside. And then I do gotta go get some stuff to do my meal prep since I didn't do it yesterday. But y'all, I gotta insert pictures from the graduation because of course I was unable to record. It was too packed and I didn't have a place to really safely set up my camera. So yeah, I was unable to record the graduation, but I do have pictures that the parents sent to me that I took with my students after the graduation. So I'm gonna insert some of them here. Some of them I'm so very proud of. I'm proud of their growth. I'm proud of their growth mentally and physically, because a lot of them came acting like little babies and they left as big boys and big girls, having some sense of independence around things, because they growth was being stifled in their house. And some of the parents I had to have like heart-to-heart conversations of, we gonna have to teach this baby some independence, because there's some things that they supposed to be able to do by themselves by now. We can't hold their hand through life. Like, I get it, nobody wants to release with their child, but some things you have to release on and allow them to have that moment of growth. But I gotta go to the gym, and I have told myself, because I've been eating so bad, that I have to do longer cardio workouts for this whole week, because I need to, you know, burn more fat. I'm gonna kind of do a deficit in my calorie intake as well. I'm still taking my Oxy Shred for the fat burner. I do like it on the days that I'm drinking it and I'm working out. Even on days that I don't work out, I drink it fasted. Like the jar says to drink it 30 minutes before you do decide to eat or whatever. If you drink it on a empty, before you decide to eat, before you decide to work out or eat on an empty stomach. So I've been drinking that pretty much daily. I do like the way that it does give me my burst of energy throughout the day. Like, it's really good for that burst of energy. Working out, not working out, I guess it's like the equivalent of like if you wanted to drink a Celsius, except the Celsius doesn't have fat burner in there and the Oxy Shred does. So I actually just finished up my pre-workout. I'm gonna go ahead and head to the gym and get that out the way, stop at the Kroger on my way back in so I can at least pick up the few things that I'm gonna use to do my meal prep. It's gonna be an easy meal prep this week because I'm eating less food. I'm eating less food, and I'm trying to have as much of a deficit that I can have without losing too much of the muscle that I have been gaining, especially in my thighs. So yeah, that's the plan. Thank you guys for watching. I want to thank my brother for taking that time with his nephew and being patient and shaking that little fear off of him, because he needs to know how to shoot a gun. That's something he for sure needs to know and get comfortable with, the process of doing it, and understanding that as long as you properly handle the gun, there's nothing to be afraid of, you know. So thank y'all again. Don't forget, let me get my bag on. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all of the above. And I'll see y'all next week. This is the last week of school. And Dutta graduates 5th grade. I'm about to have a middle schooler. Y'all, I'm about to have a middle schooler. It feel like I literally
just had him.
I just had him. I swear. And he about to be in the 6th grade. So I'll see y'all next week. We got graduation. We got end of the school year stuff. Corey's birthday. So we'll see what we gonna vlog next week. See y'all later. Bye.